If you are a Samsung user and find yourself stuck on the Verify Your Account page after a factory reset and are searching for answers on how to bypass Google account verification, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to bypass Google account verification on Samsung. Let's dive in. Factory Reset Protection, FRP, is a security feature on Android devices that protects your data if your phone is lost or stolen. However, if you forget your Google account credentials, it can be a hassle when trying to regain access to your device after a reset. Let me show you the tutorial to remove Google verification. Tip 1. Bypass Google verification account via recovery. The first method is through Google account recovery. Click Recover your Google account or Gmail. If you still remember your login method, log in with your credentials. Enter your password. Select any verification method you can still use, and then recover your account. You can then unlock FRP lock. Tip 2. Bypass Google verification account via DroidKit. If you've forgotten your Google account details, the best solution is using DroidKit, a powerful tool that helps you bypass the FRP lock on Samsung devices in just a few minutes. With a high success rate and compatibility with Android 6 and above, DroidKit supports not only Samsung, but also Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco, and Oppo devices. It also supports you to solve various Android device problems such as screen lock, system repair, data recovery, etc. Let me show you step-by-step how to bypass Google verification account via DroidKit. First, free download the latest version of DroidKit from the official website. Select FRP bypass. Next, connect your Samsung phone to your computer using a USB cable. Then click the Start button to begin. DroidKit will automatically prepare the configuration file for your device. Once ready, click Start to bypass to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into recovery mode. Select your Samsung system version and click Next. Follow the prompts to set your device into diagnostic mode. On your phone, return to the home screen, tap the emergency call option, and enter *#0# to access the diagnostic menu. Click Reset and wait for DroidKit to remove the Google account. Once the process is complete, your device will restart. After restarting, you'll see that the Google account has been removed. Your phone is now unlocked, and there is no longer any Google account associated with it in the settings. As you can see, bypassing the Google account verification on your Samsung device is straightforward with these methods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.